Leanna, what case you have?
The defendant that I have is
Morning.
Morning. Who is it?
Rashonda Smith.
Dan, we have Carissa Yearby here. I'm going to bring her
Okay. Is there an offer?
Yeah, DWLS dismiss, left of center dismiss, no motorcycle endorsement. The left to center, there's a $45 reinstatement fee that's got to be paid.
So DWLS as charged and dismiss the other two?
Nope, it's going to reduce it to no absent person.
Okay.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Carissa Hindman, the magistrate. Today's the date and time set for a pretrial with Huron Township. Do you want to speak with the MIDC attorney today?
Yes, sir. Whatever I need to do, I
I'm
don't
going to
know.
put you in a breakout room. It's going to appear on your screen. You're going to click to enter it, and then when you're done speaking with the attorney, you're going to click to leave it to come back here, okay?
Okay, thank you, sir.
Michelle?
Yep.
They included this 2013 case in this, and the reason why she did it is she comes in to the courthouse and sees this file where it's in it's bold print, review only.
What's her name?
Carissa Yearby.
Looks like, yeah, she's got 3 that are from, well, let me see.
They're all from the same date.
Oh, I see. Yeah. She owes 358 on that, on the left of center.
Oh, wait a minute. This DWLS, it's not included. It's adjudicated case, Judge Parrott.
Wait, what? Well, let me look at it.
All these are just old cases. This is theoretically an arraignment.
Hold on a second. Looks like they did a plea by mail, but they never, hold on. No, but it doesn't look like the plea by mail ever went through, because, you know, he used to scratch them out and not accept them. He didn't accept the plea by mail.
Completely out all the way.
Yeah. But we either didn't get it back in time. We never got it back. So it looks like there was a plea by mail sent, but they never executed it and sent it back. So it was never adjudicated, because they never followed through with it. They either didn't get the plea by mail, something happened. So that is like a new case. But the left of center, is defaulted and everything. They owe 358 on that.
No, but she's dismissing it in this plea.
Okay. Well, she can't. She can't. That's the whole point. She can't. It's already defaulted, suspended, the whole works. She owns a FAC on it. I mean, that's part of the problem. When it says review, they're not supposed to handle those cases. That's just his review. I'm not quite sure how to explain to these prosecutors what that word means. It's isn't this airport?
Yeah,
Okay.
I thought it was Huron. Well, Dan Bitar is going to have to get done up on this. I had a conversation with him last week. He says it's a 2-day move for him. Hey, Dan,
Yes, sir.
we're going to end up having a problem on this case. I thought this was a Huron docket. This is a Metro Airport docket. This is from 2013. This case is in show cause. I'm going to work through it, but we might have some more of these. For some reason, he missed the big red print that says review only.
Yeah, for the left of center. So that's probably in default status then, right? And it can't be
Right.
dismissed.
Well, I'm going to work it into this, but just so you know.
Okay. I tried to explain that to her too. She understands.
Okay. I don't think she followed you out.
Yep, she's here.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Carissa, you've met with the attorney. Dan, go ahead.
Daniel Batar on behalf of Miss Yerby, Your Honor. Your Honor, she's going to take the offer. She'll plead guilty to no operator's license on person. It's my understanding the driving without a cycle endorsement will be dismissed. And then there's the issue with the left of center ticket.
Okay. Ms. Yerby, the prosecutor that reviewed these files must not have took a really good look at them. This one case is a review only. It's already been through the system, but we'll work through it today. At the time of the stop on October 31st of 2013, when you were pulled over, did you have a valid license?
No, sir.
I'm going to accept your plea. I'm going to dismiss the original charge of driving while license suspended. I'm going to add the count of no ops on person. The drove without a cycle endorsement. I'm going to dismiss that case according to the plea. The drove left to center, I'm going to waive. You are going to have to pay the $45 on that case, the suspension fee. I'll waive the balance, okay?
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Your Honor.
So much. I really appreciate this.
I got some paperwork to do. Sit tight, okay?
Okay.
Your fines and cost on the case is $475. You can pay that in the next 5 days, or you need time to pay?
She's going to need time to pay if you can put her on a payment plan, Your Honor. But she will pay that $45 reinstatement fee first. Ms. Yerby, you're muted.
Yes.
Your cell phone ends in 6612, correct?
No, sir.
Go ahead with the new number.
502-295-2799.
2799.
Yes, sir.
Pay close attention to that cell phone. They're going to call you and set up a payment plan, okay?
Okay.
And you're going to pay the $45. Reference the following case number. Tell me when you're ready.
Okay, I'm ready.
It's 13 A Adam 175 692 B boy.
13 A Adam 175-692B.
Yep.
Are all three FACs included in the 475?
Michelle, I'll call you on this, Michelle.
Okay. Okay, that's fine. Thanks.
All right. So Ms. Yerby, you're all set. Okay.
Thank you so much, Mr. Hindman. I really appreciate you all's time. Thank you for considering fixing this for me.
You have a good day.
Good luck, Ms. Yerby.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Hey, how you doing?
Good morning. Cornell Oden, right?
Morning.
Correct?
Say it one more time.
Your name for the record.
It's Cornell.
Cornell, what is your last name?
Yes, sir.
We'll try it for the third time. Your name, your full name for the record.
It's Cornell Odin.
All right, Cornell Al Hindman, the magistrate. Today's the date and time set for a pretrial with Detroit Metropolitan Airport. Do you want to speak with the MIDC attorney?
I guess.
All right.
No, I really don't have to. It's fine. I don't have to.
All right, you're declining the attorney. This is a case that you were charged with a registration or plate violation. The prosecutor's willing to dismiss that charge and add the 0-point civil infraction of double parking with a fine of $200. Do you want to accept that plea?
Yes.
You could pay that in the next 5 days?
Yes, I can. Actually, I get paid on Friday. Yeah. I can. Yes, sir.
Pay it by Monday, you'll be all set.
Okay. Perfect.
All right, you have a good day.
You too.
Jim?
Yeah, sorry about that. I had to restart the computer.
That's all right. Just so you know, we're gonna run into this, we have this morning. When you get files that say review only, they can't be included in the plea.
Oh, okay.
So just watch, they're stamped in red real big. It just,
Yeah, I
Dan,
see a couple of them.
Dan Batar's got to end up having an arm wrestling match. But
Morning, Jim.
it all works out.
Right, Dan.
And Michelle does somersaults. I'll be back in a minute.
Okay, let's see here. I don't think it really changes much on any of these.
No.
Life been treating you okay, Jim?
Yeah, I had
Yeah.
a slight issue this morning. My computer was on. If I leave it on over the weekend and I don't restart it, it just dogs for a while. And I don't know why that is.
Yeah, mine does that once in a while too. I don't know if it goes into sleep mode, but it happened to me a couple of months ago. I thought my hard drive died or something and I was going to lose everything.
Oh, we don't want to talk about those.
No. Are all these cases up today, all airport?
Yeah, the whole docket. It's the DW, they call it the DWLS docket. So most of these are suspended related.
And Jim's gonna dismiss them all, aren't you, Jim?
I was waiting for that voice to creep in. I
That's
saw
that's our resident true believer.
Hush.
she believes something.
Hey, Dan, I have a PCC at 9. If my carryover doesn't come on before then, will you?
Yeah,
call?
you can just go now. I mean, what is this? This was what
She was supposed to clear some of her stuff up.
is there an offer?
Jim, is there an offer?
Who is it?
That's Roshonda Smith.
Right now it's first, but did she clear all her, that's the question, I guess.
We'll have to see what her driving record shows.
Yeah, she has a DWLS second, so right now it would be a first.
Okay.
But if she clears it up, then we might have some room to work.
Have you talked to her recently, Leanna?
No, I tried calling her on Friday and I couldn't get through to her.
Uh-oh.
And I didn't call her over the weekend because it's the weekend. You got it covered, Dan?
Yeah, I'm good. I got it.
All right, bye guys.
Bye.
See ya. Hey, Dan, have you guys started using the case innovations for plea offers for anybody?
I have no idea what that is.
That's the online dispute resolution.
No, I did hear about that, but we have not started using it as far as I know. Teresa mentioned it a while ago, but what do you know?
Well, it's up. Mostly
Is it?
it's mostly for non-represented, but I saw a couple in my queue that I'm not handling yet. That looks like they asked for counsel, and I don't know if it's court appointed and if they're going to have you guys do the dispute resolution attempt through it on some misdemeanors and things.
Yeah, we were told that we would be contacted. Someone would contact us when the people do request to be represented, but I haven't received any of those requests yet.
Okay. Yeah, I've done some civil infractions. I mean, it's pretty easy. It's all online now.
Yeah. Stop that yawning.
I know, that's why I have to mute myself. Still waking up. I don't.
Hello.
Good morning.
Morning.
Your name for the record.
Kevin Dogan, Dogan.
Kevin L. Hindman, the magistrate. Today's the date and time set for a pretrial with the Metropolitan Airport police prosecutor. You have a driving while license suspended. Do you want to speak with the MIDC attorney today?
Yes.
Okay, a breakout room is going to appear on your screen. You're going to click to enter it. You're going to speak with the attorney, and when you're done, you'll click to leave it to come back here, okay?
Okay.
Jim, what's the offer on Mr. Dogan?
No ops. You want me to email you all the offers?
Yeah, that'd be great. Thank you.
Okay, I'll do that.
Benjamin Jackson.
Yes, sir. Good morning.
Al Hindman, the magistrate. Today's the date and time set for a pretrial with the Metropolitan Airport PD prosecutor. Hold on 1 minute.
Okay.
You have a driving while license suspended case. Do you want to speak with the MIDC attorney?
Yes, why not?
A breakout room is going to appear on your screen. You're going to click to enter it. After you're done speaking with the attorney, you'll click to leave it to come back here, okay?
Okay.
Click to enter it and he'll be in there to see you shortly.
I'm sorry, join in, room
Yep.
2?
He'll
All
be
right.
there shortly, yep.
Okay, sir.
Robert Green,
Yes, sir.
Al Hindman, the magistrate. Today's the date and time set for a pretrial with the Metropolitan Airport PD prosecutor. You have a driving while license suspended from May of 2017. Do you want to speak with the MIDC attorney?
No, sir.
The prosecutor reviewed your case. He's willing to dismiss the original charge, add the 0-point offense and no ops on person. Do you want to accept that plea?
Yes, sir.
Do you understand that you're entering into this plea freely and voluntarily?
Yes, sir.
You understand that you're giving up your right to a trial before a judge and before a jury, correct?
Yes, sir.
You received paperwork in the mail pertaining to this case. That's why you're here today, correct?
Yes, sir.
There was an advice of rights in that form. You read it and understand it, correct?
Yes, sir.
At the time of the stop on May 17th, back on 2017, when you were pulled over by the Metro Airport PD, did you have a valid license?
No, sir.
Your fines and costs total $375. You can pay that in the next 5 days, correct?
No, sir.
I can't hear you. What?
No, sir.
You need time to pay?
Yes.
The collections department's going to contact you on a cell phone number that ends in 1364. Do we agree?
Yes, sir.
Pay close attention to that number. They're going to call you. I've dismissed the original charge. I've added the charge of no ops on person. You're all set.
Thank you.
Dan, go ahead.
Did Mr. Dogan come back out of there?
Nope.
Mr. Dogan, are you there now?
Yes.
Okay. Daniel Batar on behalf of Mr. Dogan, Your Honor. He's going to accept the offer, plead guilty to no operator's license on person.
Hey, Mr. Dogan, I'm dismissing the original charge, adding the no point offense and no ops on person. The time of the stop back on January 30th, when you were pulled over, did you have a valid license?
No.
Your fines and costs total $375. You can pay that in the next 5 days.
Judge, I was looking online and Mr. Dogan said that he actually prepaid this fine. There are notations in the system about it. He does have, I guess he paid it online. But I don't know if that money was credited to his account or not.
I only have a court file with not anything of payment on it. Michelle?
Give me a second, I'm looking. No, the only thing I show here was on this case is an FAC. He had a no proof insurance. And I would say that's the one he paid. He paid $378.
Do you understand that, Mr. Dogan?
Yeah.
So you still have to pay on this one. You paid $378 plus you paid the $45 fee. So you still
He still owes the 45 on this case.
Oh, I'm sorry. You still owe the 45 on this case as well. So you do have to pay this, okay?
Okay.
What was that total fine, Your Honor?
$375.
Thank you. And Mr. Dogan, how much time do you need to pay that?
I can pay it today.
Great.
So that wraps up Mr. Dogan. Do we agree?
Yes, sir. Mr. Dogan, just make sure you go online and pay that or call the court, okay?
Dan, I'm going to
Okay.
move you to another breakout room. You're going to have a conversation with Benjamin Jackson.
Okay.
Come on for Dan, no ops.
I got your email.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, so I'll make that payment to the court.
You're going to make it in person at the court. The court's drop box by U.S. mail or online. If you pay it online, reference a ticket number, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You have a good day.
Okay, thank you as well. You too.
And Alan Benjamin Jackson's already in the breakout room?
Yep. And you're in that new one. Number 2. Good morning.
Hi, good morning.
Ashley Corley, correct?
Yes,
Al Hindman, the magistrate. Today's the date and time set for a pretrial with the airport prosecutor. You have a case of driving while license suspended, second offense. You want to speak with the MIDC attorney?
yeah, that's fine.
I'm going to put you in a breakout room. It's going to appear on your screen. You're going to click to enter it. The attorney won't be there when you get there. He'll show up, okay?
Okay.
Click to enter it and wait for him.
Okay.
You're going to show him where the drop box goes in front of the new building. Dan, whenever you're ready.
I don't see Mr. Jackson back yet.
Okay.
There we go. Daniel Batar on behalf of Mr. Jackson, Your Honor. He's going to take the offer, plead guilty to no operator's license on person.
Mr. Jackson, at the time of the stop back on March 5th of 2020, when you were pulled over, did you have a valid license?
I did not.
I'm going to accept your plea. I'm going to amend the original charge to a 0-point offense of no ops on person. Your fines and costs total $375. When can you pay that?
In a period of a month.
Your
Actually-
cell phone or your phone number ends in 2563, correct?
Correct.
Pay close attention to your cell phone. You're going to be contacted by the collections department to set up a payment plan. You're all set.
All right. Thank you, Your Honor.
Dan, I'm going to move you to see Ashley Corley back in number 1.
I'm all set. I can leave.
Yep.
All right. Y'all be safe, please.
Good luck.
Morning. No audio, Aisha Douglas. Aisha Douglas, no audio. We have video, no audio. Good morning. Aisha Douglas.
Here.
Now Hindman, the magistrate, today's the date and time set for a pretrial with the Detroit Metropolitan Airport prosecutor. You have a driving while license suspended case from August of 2020. Do you want to speak with the MIDC attorney?
No.
All right, the prosecutor reviewed your file. They're going to make you the following offer. They're going to willing to dismiss the original charge of driving while license suspended, add the 0-point offense and no ops on person. Do you want to accept that plea?
Yes.
You're entering into this plea freely and voluntarily, correct?
Yes.
You received paperwork in the mail. It had a advice or rights form. You read and understand that form, correct?
Yes.
Understanding that form, you understand that by entering into this plea, you're giving up the right to a trial before a judge and before a jury on this case, correct?
Yes.
At the time of the stop on August 24th, 2020, when you were pulled over, did you have a valid license?
No.
I'm going to accept your plea. Your fines and costs total $375. You can pay that in the next 5 days.
Yes.
Pay it within the next 5 days in person at the court's drop box by U.S. mail or online.
Okay.
All right, you're all set.
Yes. Thank you.
Hey, Jim, Miss Corley cleared up her suspension. She just has to renew her license now, and she has an appointment this month at the Secretary of State. So can you do no ops for her?
Yeah, I can do that.
Okay, I'll be right back.
Dan, go ahead.
Waiting for Miss, there she is. Daniel Batar on behalf of Miss Corley, Your Honor. She's going to accept the people's offer. She'll plead guilty to no operator's license on person. That's a new offer that was tendered by the prosecutor. Is that correct, Jim?
That's correct.
Okay, Miss Corley, at the time of the stop on July 24th, 2020, when you were pulled over, did you have a valid license?
No.
I'm going to accept your plea. Your fines and costs total $375. You can pay that in the next 5 days.
No, I can't.
Your collections department's going to contact you at a phone number that ends in the last 4 digits of 7569. That's a good number, correct?
Yes.
Pay close attention to that number. They're going to call you. That wraps this case up.
Okay.
Good luck, Miss Corley.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Your name for the record.
Mark Hudson.
Mark Al Hindman, the magistrate. Hold on 1 minute. Mr. Hudson, you have a driving while licensed suspended case with the Detroit Metropolitan Airport PD. The prosecutors reviewed this file. Do you want to speak with the MIDC attorney?
Yes.
A breakout room is going to appear on your screen. You're going to click to enter it. You're going to have a conversation with the attorney. Then you're going to click to leave it to come back here, okay? You hear me, Mr. Hudson?
Yeah, it paused. I didn't hear you. You sending me to a breakout room, you said?
Yeah, you're going to click to enter it, have a conversation with the attorney. When you're done, you'll click to leave it to come back here, okay?
Yes, sir. I don't know how to do it, but I'm going to try.
Well, first of all, I got to do a thing here. Hold on.
Okay.
Go ahead and click to enter it. Dominic Bracy, no audio. Good morning. Peggy Graves. Peggy Graves. No audio.
There we go.
Good morning, Peggy. It's Al Hindman, the magistrate. Today's the date and time set for a pretrial with the Metro Airport prosecutor. You want to speak with the MIDC attorney?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. A breakout room is going to appear on your screen. You're going to click to enter it. The attorney won't be there right away. He'll show up. You'll have a conversation with him. When you're done, you'll click to leave it to come back here. Okay.
Okay.
iPhone, no audio, no video. iPhone, no audio, no video.
Mr. Hudson, just hang tight for a minute. We're waiting for the judge to come back on, okay?
Yes, sir.
Dan, go ahead.
Daniel Batar on behalf of Mark Hudson, Your Honor. He's going to take the offer, plead guilty to no operator's license on person.
Mr. Hudson, at the time of the stop back on August 11, 2019, when you were pulled over, did you have a valid license?
No, Your Honor.
I'm going to accept your plea. Your fines and costs total $375. You can pay that in the next 5 days, correct?
He'll need a payment plan, Your Honor.
Mr. Hudson, your phone number ends in 1746, correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
Pay close attention to that number. The collections department's going to call you to set up a payment plan, okay?
Yes, Your Honor. Thank you.
You have a good day.
Good
All
luck,
right, you
Mr. Hudson.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome.
Dan, I'm going to move you to another room. You're going to speak with Peggy Graves, okay?
I'm trying to zoom out right now.
Yeah. Should be in number 2, Dan. iPhone 2, no audio, no video. Tommy Hall.
Yes.
Good morning.
Morning.
Al Hindman, the magistrate. Today's the date and time set for a pretrial with the Detroit Metropolitan Airport prosecutor. Do you want to speak with the MIDC attorney?
No.
You have a case that you were charged with a registration or plate violation back on August 24th, 2020. They've reviewed the case. They're willing to dismiss that charge, add the 0-point offense of double parking in place of it with a fine of $200. You want to accept that plea?
Say dismiss the case for double parking.
They're going to dismiss the misdemeanor charge and they're going to amend it and add the 0-point offense civil infraction of double parking. Do you want to accept that?
All right. First off, I want to understand the ticket was for
they charged you with registration or plate violation, improper use of a special plate use.
improper use of a special plate.
Yep.
All right. Number one, I'm like, I wasn't improperly using it. I had insurance on it. Everything was registered. The officer told me that I didn't have the proper information on it, but I did. I wasn't improperly using it.
Okay, and you don't want to speak with the MIDC attorney that's available today?
Will it cost me any money?
No.
Yes.
Okay, I'm going to put you in a breakout room. It's going to appear on your screen. You're going to click to enter it, and the attorney won't be there. He'll show up and then you'll have a conversation with the attorney and you'll click to leave it to come back here, okay?
All right, excuse me if I'm a little slow. I don't, it's my first time using this. I don't even see my face.
It'll come up. It's not there yet.
Okay, no problem. Thank you.
Okay. Just click on it and enter it and wait for him to show up, okay?
The thing that says join magistrate?
Yep, yep.
Okay.
Dan, go ahead.
Daniel Batar on behalf of Peggy Graves, Your Honor. She's going to take the offer, plead guilty to no operator's license on person.
Ms. Graves, at the time of the stop on October 5th, 2020, when you were pulled over, did you have a valid license?
No.
I'm going to accept your plea. Your fines and costs are going to total $375. I've dismissed the original charge, added the no point offense and no ops on person. You can pay that in the next 5 days?
No. I get paid in 2 weeks. I'd be able to pay it all then.
Pay in 14 days?
Okay. Yes.
Pay it in the next 14 days, $375, and you'll be all set.
Okay.
Okay. You have a good day.
Oh, you too. Thank you. Bye-bye.
And I'm going to move you back to court, to breakout room 1. It's Tommy Earl Hall.
Okay.
iPhone, go ahead. Your name for the record.
Asia Woodward.
Asia Woodward, Al Hindman, the magistrate. Give me 1 minute, okay?
Okay.
Asia, you have a driving while license suspended case with the Detroit Metropolitan Airport PD. Do you want to speak with the MIDC attorney?
Yes.
A breakout room is going to appear on your screen. You're going to click to enter it. The attorney will show up there. You'll have a conversation with the attorney, then you'll click to leave it to come back here, okay?
Okay.
They won't be there when you first get there. Just sit and wait for them to show up, okay?
Okay.
Thank you. Be a minute before they show up.
Hey, Jim, do you have a report on Tommy Earl Hall?
I don't believe so. Let me check real quick. I do not.
You don't know any details then either?
Mm-mm.
All right, we'll just, I'll go get him, bring him back, and we'll just
You
send
want
him for a preacher. I need a report on him.
Okay.
iPhone 2, no audio, no video.
Hello,
Your name for the record.
my name is Keemon Thomas.
Come on, Thomas.
Yes. Keemon Thomas.
Keemon Thomas.
Yes.
Mr. Thomas, you have a driving while license suspended.
Yes.
The Detroit Metropolitan Airport PD from back on March of this year. Do you want to speak with the in-house attorney?
Sure.
A breakout room is going to appear on your screen. You're going to click to enter it.
Okay.
He won't be there. He'll show up there. When he shows up, you'll have a conversation with him and you'll click to leave it to come back here, okay?
Okay. Also, I have a question for you.
Go ahead.
I actually, what happened was the whole ticket thing was a misunderstanding. And I was going to ask you some rules and stuff because when
you're going to want to speak with that attorney and not me, okay? I'm the magistrate here in the case. That room's going to appear in just a minute. Click to enter it, wait for the attorney, have a conversation with him, and then you'll come back, okay?
Okay, so as you said, it's gonna just pop up on my phone?
Yeah, and any second it's going to show up there. Just click to enter it.
Okay. Okay.
All right.
Mr. Hall, we're just waiting for the judge, okay?
Okay, no problem.
Dan, go ahead.
Thank you, Your Honor. Daniel Batara on behalf of Tommy Earl Hall. With respect to his arraignment, Your Honor will waive a formal reading and stay on mute. Judge, I need to get a police report in this matter. If we could have a pretrial at a later date, it would be appreciated.
Michelle, what do you want to do?
June 7th at 9 a.m.
That's perfect. I'll be MIDC attorney that day.
Michelle, you'll send out paperwork, correct?
Correct.
Mr. Hall, our next court date is June 7th at 9 a.m. I'll be in contact with you as soon as I get the report from the airport attorney, okay?
Okay, no problem.
You're
June
free to go.
7th,
Thank
9
you.
a.m.
Yes, sir.
Dan, I'm gonna move you to breakout room number 3, or no, number 2.
It's okay.
Number 2?
And it's gonna be.
Yeah, you're free to go,
Aisha
Mr. Hall.
Aisha Woodward. Good morning. Deontay Young.
Here.
Mr. Young.
Sorry.
Al Hindman, the magistrate, today's the date and time for a pretrial. You have 2 cases. You have a driving while license suspended case that goes back to March of 2021. And you have a weapons, firearm, improper possession in a motor vehicle, same date. You want to speak with the MIDC attorney?
Yes, whoever I need to speak to.
All right. A breakout room is going to appear on your screen. You're going to click to enter it. The attorney won't be there. You're going to sit and wait for him to show up. You'll have a conversation with him. And when you're done, you'll click to leave it to come back here. Okay?
All right.
Click to enter it and wait for him. We have not had any part of the flagpoles. Dan, go ahead. I'm
Daniel
sorry,
Return on
Dan.
behalf of Asia Woodward, Your Honor. She's going to accept the offer, plead guilty to no operator's license on person.
Ms. Woodward, at the time of the stop back on April 2nd, 2018, when you were pulled over, did you have a valid license?
No.
I'm going to accept your plea. Your fines and costs total $375. You can pay that in the next 5 days, correct?
Yes.
Pay it in person at the court's drop box, online, or by US mail. How are you paying it?
Online.
You have a good day. You'll pay it reference the case number that ends in 1435, okay?
Okay.
Have a good day.
Good luck, Ms. Woodward.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Dan, you're gonna go to see Thomas or a Keeman Thomas, okay? I'll move you there.
Number 2?
3. take it out to the flagpole. The city's out there. If there's duplicates, keep a set for us because we'll never see them again. I think they've been located. I'll let you know. Thank you.
Jim, you don't have a report on Mr. Thomas, do you?
Let me look.
Okay.
No, I don't have one.
Okay. Can you get me one, please?
Yep.
Dan, go ahead.
Daniel Batar on behalf of Keymon Thomas, Your Honor. With respect to the arraignment, we'll waive a form reading. Stand mute, please. Your Honor, I need to get a copy of the police report. If we could have a pretrial at a later date, it would be appreciated.
Michelle?
June 7th at 9:10 in the morning.
Thank you.
Adjourned.
So, Mr. Thomas?
Yes.
Our next court date is June 7th at 9:10. As soon as I get a copy of the report, I will give you a call and we'll discuss the case further, okay?
Okay.
Dan, with that said, I'm going to move you to number one to talk to Deontay Young.
So I could just hang up?
Yep.
Okay, thank you.
Good morning. Good morning. No audio. No audio. Identifying as Zoo. Good morning.
Good morning.
Your name for the record.
Yusuf Kosho.
Yusuf Kosho, Al Hindman, the magistrate. Today's the date and time set for a pretrial with the Metropolitan Airport PD prosecutor. You have a driving while license suspended case. Do you want to speak with the MIDC attorney on this case?
He has a retained attorney listed, Gregory Sheena.
All right, hold on. Gregory Sheena. Gregory Sheena. Gregory Sheena. Gregory Sheena, no audio.
Good morning. Can you hear me now?
Yep.
How are you?
You're representing Yusuf Kosho, Al Hindman, the magistrate. You want to speak with the prosecutor, correct?
Please, Your Honor. Thank you.
Jim, I'm going to put you in a breakout room with the attorney for
Okay.
Joseph Kosho. Dominique Bracy.
Yes, here.
Al Hindman, the magistrate. Hold on a minute.
Okay.
Dominique, you have a improper license case with the Metropolitan Airport PD that occurred back on January 30th, 2019. You want to speak with the in-house attorney?
Yes, please.
I'm going to put you in a breakout room. It's going to show up on your screen. You're going to click to enter it. The attorney will not be there. He'll show up. You'll have a conversation. You'll click to leave it to come back here, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Michelle, I'm going to have to go in a minute. Deontay Young.
Darius.
Dan,
Daniel
go ahead.
Batar on behalf of Dariante Young, Your Honor. I've had a chance to speak with Mr. Young. He is going to plead guilty to no operator's license on person, Your Honor, and improper possession of a firearm.
So they're dismissing the driving while license suspended, correct?
That's correct, Your Honor.
They're adding the count of no ops on person, correct?
Yes.
Mr. Young, at the time of the stop on March 26th, when you were pulled over, did you have a valid license?
I thought I did.
But you found out you did not, correct?
Correct.
I'm going to accept your plea on that case. Your fines and costs are going to be $375.
All right, can I get a pen so I can write this down real quick?
Okay. You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
There it is.
$375 on the driving while license suspended. And the improper possession of a firearm is $475. You can pay that in the next 5 days.
You'll need a payment plan, Your Honor.
Yeah. Collections department's going to have to contact you. I need a cell number for you. Go ahead.
313-643-8520.
Pay close attention to that cell phone. They're going to call you in the next few days and set up a payment plan, okay?
All right.
You're all set.
All right, thank you.
Look, Mr. Young.
Yeah.
Dan, I'm going to send you to see Dominique Bracy. Michelle. Michelle. Michelle Foster.
Yeah, I'm here.
Al Hindman, the magistrate.
Yeah, Mitch Foster here.
I'm sorry, Mitch Foster.
Yes.
Hold on. You have a case today, Mr. Foster?
Yes, I represent Christina Jones.
Jim, I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Mr. Foster, okay?
Yeah, just on the other one with Mr. Sheena, we're going to amend it to allowing. So I want to be able to allow you to proceed with that while I'm in the breakout room.
I got to put him in a breakout room to talk to his client.
Oh, okay.
Mr. Foster, a breakout room is going to appear,
Okay.
and the prosecutor will show up.
Yes, I believe we have worked everything out, but we can go into the breakout room.
All right, Dan, go ahead.
Daniel Batar on behalf of Dominic Brace, Your Honor. She's going to take the offer, plead guilty to no operator's license on person.
Ms. Bracy, at the time of the stop on January 30th, when you got pulled over, did you have a valid license?
No.
I'm going to accept your plea. Your fines and costs are going to total $375. You can pay that in the next 5 days.
Your Honor, she'll need a payment plan, please. And Your Honor, do you know if the clearance fee has been paid on this already, or if not, can she have the opportunity to pay that first?
She can pay it if she wants. Michelle is the only one that can tell us if it's been paid or not.
Yes.
Ms. Bracy, your phone number ends in 9304, correct?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay.
She still owes the $45.
Okay, you can pay the $45 online.
Okay.
Reference the ticket number, okay?
Okay. Is that going to get mailed out to me as well?
No, you're going to go online, and the collections department's going to contact you by your cell number to set up a payment plan, okay?
Okay. Thank you.
All right.
Good luck, Ms. Bracy.
Joseph Kosho.
Thank you.
Ready, Your Honor, and Mr. Kosho is already prepared to plead guilty to allowing unlicensed driver to drive.
Okay. For plea purposes, Counselor, at the time of the stop on March 28th of 2021, when Mr. Kosho was pulled over, do you have a valid license?
No, Your Honor.
I'm going to accept the plea. His fines and costs total $375. He can pay that in the next 5 days.
Thank you so much, Your Honor. Have a wonderful day. Mr. Kosho, you can log off.
Mr. Foster, are we ready to go on your case?
Yes, we are.
This is Metro Airport versus Christina Jones. Counselor, go ahead.
Your Honor, we're going to amend the charge to allowing, and then upon acceptance of that plea, dismiss the WLS.
We're dismissing the original charge, adding the count of allowing an unlicensed driver to drive, correct?
Yes.
Yes.
Christina, you're present, correct?
Yes, I'm here.
At the time of the stop on January 29th of this year, when you were pulled over, did you have a valid license?
No, sir, I did not.
I'm going to accept your plea. Your fines and costs total $375. You could pay that in the next 5 days, correct?
Yes.
You can pay that in person at the court's drop box, online, or by US mail. How are you paying it?
I'll probably pay online.
Pay it within the next 5 days. You're all set.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you.
All right, I have to pop out. Michelle, I'm going to turn it over to you. I'll be back.
Okay. Patrice's iPhone, is that Patrice Shelton?
Yes.
Would you like to speak with the MIDC attorney this morning?
Sure.
Okay, I'm going to put you in a breakout room. You'll see a button that says to join, and he'll meet you there.
Okay. Mm. Hello?
Hello?
Hold on a second, we're working on it.
Okay. Can you hear me?
Yes, we can hear you, ma'am. Just hang tight for a minute, okay?
Yes.
We're working on it. Magistrate Hindman, when he set it up, didn't give me access.
Okay.
So we're working on it.
Michelle,
Yes.
Judge Green's blowing up my phone and I can't leave my phone. I can't leave.
Okay, for some reason, it will let me let people in. It will not let me access the breakout rooms.
Delete the breakout
Can you
room.
delete them and I'll remake them?
And let's see if we
All right.
can redo it.
Maybe
All right,
make
hold
me
on.
host.
Hold on. All right, you got it now. Michelle,
Yes.
Yes, I think I can do it now.
Let me see.
it should be good. Hey, all right, I'm back. Let me make sure I killed my Zoom so the whole state of Michigan doesn't hear this call.
Okay. It joined.
The person with the iPhone identifier, can I have your name? You have no audio. You have to unmute yourself.
Denise
There you go.
James. Hi.
Last name of James?
Yes, Genus.
Got it. Would you like to speak with the in-house attorney this morning?
Yes.
Okay.
If possible.
You're going to see a button that says join. Go ahead and click that and then hold on for a few minutes because he's talking with someone else and then he'll be in the room.
I don't see one that says
Give
join.
me a second.
Okay.
You should see it now. It should say room 2.
Hey, Jim.
Yeah.
Could we do a no ops on Miss Shelton? It's only suspension because of a couple of tickets at 36 she's trying to clear up.
Okay, or if she can, does she think she can get them cleared?
She can eventually. They're just AUD tickets, but getting court dates there is not necessarily easily. You're trying to call up and get them scheduled.
Well, I was going to say, as an option, if she wanted to wait for an allowing, we could adjourn it to allow her to clear it.
Yeah, I don't know if she'll be able to do that within the next.
Yeah,
it
but
looks
I'll
like
do
the
a
next
no.
court date is.
Yeah, I'll do a no ops.
Okay, I'll be right back.
It's just she's going to get an additional like on it.
Yeah, I know. I'll talk to her about her options, see how quick she can get something scheduled at 36.
Yeah, because if they're just payoff tickets, then she might.
I don't think they are. They're AUDs.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. All right, I'll be right back.
Okay.
Mr. Harris?
Yes.
Good morning. Would you like to speak with the in-house attorney today, the MIDC attorney?
Actually, I'm not sure about what happened because I remember the incident from.
Okay, let me have you speak with the in-house attorney and you can speak to him about it. He can answer any questions.
Okay.
Give me a minute. I'm going to give you, you'll see a breakout room, join it, and then wait in there for a few minutes because he's going to speak with someone else first before you. But he'll get to you, okay?
All right, thank you.
Sure. Go ahead and hit join.
Join.
Hello.
Yep, we see it. We're just waiting for the judge, Patrice, okay?
Oh, okay, cool.
Dan, are we doing a plea or are we adjourning?
No, we're going to adjourn. June 7th again, Michelle?
We can just adjourn it without the magistrate. It would be June 7th at 9:20.
Great. Patrice, June 7th at 9:20. And I'll give you a call and give you my contact information, okay? I'll call you before that. I'll call you before that next court date, but do what I said.
Okay, thank you so much.
You're welcome. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Dan, your next one is in room 2.
Okay.
I gotta remember who it is. Last name of Genus, Genus.
Okay. Room 2, you said?
Correct.
I don't see room 2 as an option. It says room 3.
Hold on, I'll move you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Good morning. Can I have your name on the Galaxy A11?
My name is Marcus Walker.
Oh, Mr. Walker, you have an attorney. Also, let him in.
Yes, ma'am.
Good morning, Mr. Hobbs. The magistrate has stepped away for a moment. Do you
Okay.
need to speak with Mr. Mena, the prosecutor?
Please.
Jim, I have you number 4.
Thank
Okay,
you.
I think I can just join breakout room, right?
Yep.
We lost Jim.
Dan, do we have a plea?
No, I need to talk to Jim first. I
Okay.
don't see him though.
Yeah, he's in a breakout room with an attorney right now.
Okay, I'll need to go in there with him when he
Okay.
gets done. Thank you.
Dan, if you want to
Yes.
speak with Mr. Harris, he's in room 5. I probably have to move you there.
Okay.
It's Jaquan Harris.
Yep.
Okay, Michelle. Where are we at?
Welcome back. The Steve is here and he needs to talk to you also. Just to let you know.
Yeah,
He's
I
with the
told. I
attorney.
just sent him a message.
Okay.
He showed up. Now listen, he showed up roguely. He just popped in there. He was.
That's okay. Let's move on for this. So I have Mr. Batar is in a breakout room with Mr. Harris. He needs to speak with Mr. Mena, but Mr. Mena is in with Mr. Hobbs, the attorney for Marcus Walker. And one of them, Patrice. Let me find her last name, sorry. Patrice Shelton. We adjourned that case to June 7th at 9:20.
When did we do it?
June 7th at 9:20.
Okay. All right. Next.
And then oh, hold on.
What do we got, Dan?
We're waiting on Mr. Harris to come back from the breakout room.
Al, are you guys moving into the building this week?
We'll be in on the 10th.
Okay.
Dan, Mr. Harris, is he the Galaxy A11?
No, I think his name was up on it.
I don't see him.
Mr. Harris, are you there? No. Let me go back to the breakout room. Yeah, I don't see him either.
Michelle, you
I don't
can
know
look and see if he's in there.
While we're waiting, Michelle, can I talk
He's
to
not.
Jim in a breakout room about Miss Genus?
Sure.
Michelle, should I just go to 4?
Sure.
I'll be here for another hour anyways.
So we have a lost soul. Mr. Harris is back in the waiting room. Let me get him out. Mr. Harris, hang on for just a second.
Hello, yes, sir. Yes, I'm in court right now.
Fred, reduce this whole meeting to writing and email it to me.
Oh, okay.
You go down. We're doing these pre-trials while we're doing it. So where are we at?
Okay.
Okay.
He stepped away again. Give him a second.
Do we know where Miss Genus went, Michelle?
Room 2.
Okay. Can I get a invitation there?
Well, are we ready on Mr. Harris? He's back. Where'd he go? Wait, he was just right here.
Mr. Harris is here, but Al's
Okay.
not here.
He'll be back in 2 seconds.
Oh, okay, good.
Maybe not. I'll move you to 2.
Thank you.
We can. Have him do it. That's his job with the state.
Mr. Mena, are we ready on Mr. Hobbs' case?
It was mentioned on Monday, you know. Okay.
All right, listen, I gotta pop out for a second. I'll be right back.
Mr. Hobbs, are we ready on the Walker case?
I believe so.
Okay.
All right, Marquise Walker.
Yes, sir.
Good morning, Your Honor. Charles Hobbs, P79715, on behalf of the defendant, Mr. Walker, who I believe is present in the virtual setting as well. Mr. Walker, you say your name for the record, please?
My name is Marcus Anthony Walker.
Your Honor, we've had a chance to speak with the city attorney and have come to an agreement, and we'd ask the court to adopt that agreement.
And that is, they're going to dismiss the driving while license suspended and the registration of plate and add the count of no ops on person, correct?
They're going to amend to an allowing, I believe was the agreement, Your Honor. But otherwise, yes, dismiss the plate.
All right, I'll amend it to allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. Mr. Walker, at the time of the stop on May 26, 2020, when you were pulled over, did you have a valid license?
No, sir.
I'm going to accept your plea. Your fines and costs total $375. You can pay that in the next 5 days, correct?
Your Honor, if I may speak to those fines and fees first.
Go ahead.
Mr. Walker did spend 3 days in jail for this. So we'd ask you to give him credit for that. On top of that, he receives my services pro bono because of a grant that I have from the Volunteers of America to help their homeless veterans. He's had housing instability for some time now. He's now in his home. He's trying to regain custody of his children. He's been working to get those back. He has received visitation rights with them. He's done a lot to get his life stable again. We're trying to get him through street court, which is the homeless court in 36th District Court. He does work, excuse me, but he's receiving housing assistance right now, and they're paying his full rent. So all those, he doesn't make a whole lot of money. So we'd ask that you waive those fines and fees as well as give him credit for the time served.
Well, here's what I'm going to do. I'll waive the $375. I'll give him credit for 3 days jail. If there's an FCJ, he has to pay it.
He does owe the $45 suspension fee.
Thank you, Your Honor.
I think there's two, aren't there, Michelle?
I believe there is, Your Honor.
Correct, correct.
All right. On both cases, the driving while license, suspended registration or plate, credit for time served. He has to pay the FCJ on both. All right.
All right, thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, sir.
Hold on a minute. Your phone number ends in 9703, correct?
Yes, sir.
All right, pay that FCJ when you can.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Have a good day, Your Honor.
Okay, Michelle, where are we at?
Our next case should be Mr. Harris with Mr. Batar.
Daniel Batar on behalf of Mr. Harris, Your Honor. He's going to take the offer. He will plead responsible to double parking. The original charge will be dismissed.
Mr. Harris, you're in agreement, correct?
Yes, sir.
I've dismissed the original charge. I've added the 0-point offense of double parking. Your fines and costs total $200. You can pay that when.
Okay.
I need a payment plan, Judge.
The collections department's going to contact you on a phone number that ends in 9327. Do we agree?
Yes, sir.
All right, you're all set. Pay that in the next 5 days and you'll be all set.
Okay, thank you.
Next one is Denise Genus, Your Honor.
And we're ready to go on it, correct?
Yes, Ms. Daniel Batar on behalf of Ms. Genus, Your Honor. She's going to plead to a new offer the airport attorney made, allowing an unlicensed person to drive, Your Honor.
I'm sorry. I couldn't hear. Hello?
Okay, who do we have on the screen?
Mr. Buckner, go ahead and mute yourself.
Okay.
Hi, Denise Genus.
Ms. Genus, Al Hindman, the magistrate. At the time of the stop on January 3rd, way back in 2013, when you were pulled over, did you have a valid license?
No, sir, I did not.
I'm going to dismiss the original charge, add the count of allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. Your fines and costs total $375. You can pay that in the next 5 days, correct?
I actually get paid on the 14th. I can pay it on the 14th.
All right, so you can pay it in the next 14 days, correct?
Yes.
Your phone number ends in 2842, correct?
Yes.
Pay it in the next 14 days and you'll be all set.
Okay. How do I pay over the website?
Your Honor,
go ahead.
If there is a $45 fee, can she pay that as soon as possible? I don't know if she has one or not.
You need to pay your FAC. You can pay that in person at the court's drop box by US mail or online. Reference the case number that ends in 0156.
Okay. I don't have the whole case number. Could you give me the whole case number?
Give me 1 second.
Okay.
It is 13-0156.
13-0156.
Yes, ma'am.
13-0156. Fabulous. Okay. And it's $45, and then I have to pay $375 as well, using the same court court ticket. Okay.
Correct.
Okay, that wraps up Gina, correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
iPhone, could you tell us what your name is, please?
That was Miss
Fine.
Genus, Michelle.
Oh, okay,
That was
sorry.
me.
Miss Genus, you're free to go.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Mr. Buckner, would you like to speak with the MIDC attorney this morning?
I think my attorney's here.
Oh,
but
okay, hold on.
I'm trying.
Who's your attorney?
Oh, what is his name? Oh, I know he's from a limited.
Stephen Mamet.
All right,
Mamet?
I'll be back.
I believe that's him.
Okay, I don't see him here. Do you want to try to call him and see where he is?
Yeah. Do I have to
Okay, go
leave?
ahead.
Do I have
No,
to leave the call?
no, just mute yourself and then go ahead and call him. I'll leave you
Okay.
there. Okay?
All right. Okay. Is this thing working? Hello?
Hello.
Did I break it?
Nope, we can hear you. Hold on. We're waiting for your attorney to connect.
Hello? Hello?
Mr. Ashwood, hold on one second.
Okay.
Mr. Mamet? Good morning, attorney. Do you need to speak with the prosecutor this morning?
Yeah, I do.
Okay, hold on one second. Okay, Mr. Ashwood,
Yes.
would you like to speak with the MIDC attorney this morning?
Yes.
Okay, hold on one second. You're going to see a breakout room. Click join, and then he'll meet you there, okay?
Okay.
Go ahead, Dan. I put him in room 2.
Okay.
Mr. Mena, is Mr. Mamet waiting for his client to go to the breakout room, or
That's a good
or is he
question.
just hanging out?
All right, let me pop in there and I'll find out. He could
I
just be
didn't-
hanging out.
Yeah, nobody sent me. Nobody. I didn't get any type of like link or anything that like.
No, because he was talking to the prosecutor, so just give him a second.
Okay.
I'm ready with whatever case you have.
Mr.
Michelle,
Bitar
can
just spoke to Desmond Ashwood.
Yeah, I'm still need, can you send me in with Jim though, please?
Yes.
Thank you.
We're ready on Keon Buckner.
Go ahead.
Allowing, Judge, as I pop out. So that's, we're gonna adjust it to allowing.
All right. Does he have an attorney?
Yeah, I'm here, Your Honor.
Go ahead. So this is Keenan Ashton Buckner. Mr. Buckner, you have an attorney present, correct?
Yes, sir.
And Counselor, your appearance for the record.
Steve Mamet, P74773 on behalf of Mr. Buckner. Your Honor, today is the date and time set for an arraignment, I believe. I'll waive a formal reading of the charges and stand mute, and I have an offer for an allowing a licensed driver to drive a motor vehicle that my client would like to avail himself of.
And with that said, at the time of the stop back on April 7th of this year, when you were pulled over, Mr. Buckner, did you have a valid license?
No.
I'm going to accept your plea. I'm going to dismiss the original charge of driving while license suspended, add the count of allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. Your fines and costs total $375. You can pay that in the next 5 days, correct?
Yes, sir.
You're going to pay it in person at the court's drop box by US mail or online. How are you paying it?
Online.
Pay it online, reference the ticket number, and you'll be all set.
All right. Is there a website? Oh, well, of course.
Yep, 34thdistrictcourt.com. What is your cell number?
313-970-6774.
All right, you're all set. Pay it in the next 5 days, okay?
All right,
Thank you. Thank you, Your Honor.
You're all set.
Michelle, can I go back to that breakout room with Mr. Ashwood, please?
Sure.
Thank you.
So I don't have anyone else in the waiting rooms.
I'll be back.
Jim, you wrote down those 3 I needed reports on, I'm presuming, right? Because I know you're so on top of things.
I only have 2. I have Hall and Thomas. Who else did you need?
Oh, see, you're paying more attention than I am. I think the other one, yeah, I don't think I needed a report. That was just adjourned for time. Yep. So
Yeah, the one was just a time adjournment to clear those up.
yes, sir. Sorry about that.
No problems.
Mr. Ashwood, we're just waiting for the judge to come back, okay?
Okay.
What? Go ahead.
Daniel Batar, on behalf of Mr. Ashwood, Your Honor, he's going to plead to allowing an unlicensed person to drive, Judge.
Mr. Ashwood, at the time of the stop back on May 16th of last year, when you were pulled over, did you have a valid license?
No, sir.
All right, Mr. Ashwood, I'm going to accept your plea. I've dismissed the original charge. I've added the count of allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. Your fines and costs total $375. You can pay that in the next 5 days.
Your Honor,
Yes.
he told me he can pay it within 2 weeks.
But pay it in the next 14 days and we'll be all set. Your phone number ends in 1272, correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you're all set.
And he'll have to pay that clearance fee too, Your Honor.
He's going to pay that ahead of time?
Yes.
You can pay your FCJ online or how you pay it.
Okay. I can pay both of those online.
Yes.
Okay.
Reference the ticket number that ends in A Adam.
Okay.
Good luck, Mr. Ashwood.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
There's no one else in the waiting room.
You okay?
We'll give it just a couple more minutes. Well, it's 11 o'clock. That's all she wrote. Do we agree?